Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before we begin, let me introduce myself. I am Agus Wendy from UPI Bandung. Today, I'm going to be talking about the effectiveness of Islamic religion-based theistic guidance and counseling service in improving adolescents' mental health. Everyone, as we know, adolescents are next future generation that be great successor. According to Samsu Yusuf, in the context of adolescents development, youth is a period of identity development. Self-identity is the most important part that must be developed positively by each individual in the context of youth. The result of the EXA UGM study in 2018 showed that the prevalence of emotional mental disorder as indicated by symptoms of depression and anxiety for adolescents aged 15 years and overreached 6.1% of the total population of Indonesia. It means that the mental of adolescents which not a few leads to negative developments. According to Septiani Seri, mental health is the ability possessed by a teenager to adapt to himself, society, or his environment and realization of harmony in mental function and the creation of the ability to deal with everyday problems that I'm achieved life meaningful and happy. Everyone, the question is how to make adolescent mental health develop positively. One way to maintain of adolescent mental health in school is through guidance and counseling service with theistic model based on Islamic religion. Theistic spiritual is a concept of guidance and counseling service that focus on self-awareness, through understanding, belief, and practice of religious worship. Everyone, in this context, it is hoped the effectiveness of theistic guidance and counseling service in helping to maintain and improve the mental health of adolescents. The assumption that underlies the intervention of the theistic counseling service is that each counselor already has basic knowledge of the religion he has embraced since childhood, but has not understood it conceptually and contextually in everyday life. Referring to the American Psychological Association organization in Noto Atmojo, researchers identify adolescent mental health which include physical, psychological, social, and moral, spiritual aspect. Everyone, the conclusion as finding study in SMK BMR Rancaikek, it saw that Islamic religion-based theistic guidance and counseling have effectiveness in improving adolescent mental health. Everyone, That's all my presentation. Thank you for your nice attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.